Hey you guys, I'm back for the part 2. Making some teriyaki meatballs from scratch. Right? Got some turkey meat. Some Ritz crackers. Hurt. This ain't no joke. That's why I really did this channel, to just support. I really want to know if anybody suffer from chronic pain, basically throughout their body. If you don't have to have a surgery, please don't do it. Do exercise. Try to walk as much as you can. Don't let nobody operate on you. And be careful and put a seatbelt on, because some Ubers be driving crazy. And I was involved in an Uber accident. And that's what led to me being like this. I know people ask me, did you sue? Or did you sue? That's a whole nother story, but yeah. I'm very thankful to be alive. But everything just changed. Just imagine just working and providing, driving, chilling, whatever, just vacationing, just taking a walk. That's some things we all take for granted. I'm going to say we all, because I was like that. I never thought in a million years I'd be sitting home or sitting here talking to you guys, recording. I thought it was a bad thing. I'm guessing that's why people call me crazy, because I'm able to laugh at myself. And I don't think that's nothing crazy about that. I'm just got a sense of humor. My life is too short. I gotta be looking mad 24/7 in the face. Like right now, because my face burning from the onions and peppers. Yes, I'm that again. I'm that again. I am. I have my strength. On this channel, you're going to get cooking, comedy, chronic pain, jokes, and stuff. You're going to get just conversation, just about life. And cooking for me is everything. I love cooking. It's my passion. I find peace. And I'm not going to give that up. I feel like if I give that up, then I'll be like, I don't know. But I'm not going to give that up. So, yeah. Oops, 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 oops. Yeah, that's my sister-in-law creeping in the back if you hear somebody. But, yep. I'm over here again. So it's good to get out the house and be around family and friends, if they allow you. Some people don't want to hear it. Like, I'm only playing. But, just try to get stuff off your mind, because you got to be mindful of other people. I try to. I really try to. So, I just gotta, try. But it's hard. You see how fast I sat down and chopped this stuff up? Yeah. I can't. It's like it's hard for me to stand and use my hands at the same time. So, I just sit down and cook. Does it bother my hand still? Yes, my hand hurts, especially my right hand. But how am I going to eat? The Lord said, a man that don't provide, not that I'm a man, but a man that don't provide doesn't eat. Amen. So I'm just doing red pepper, green pepper, and Ritz crackers. So I really do fresh ingredients because your sauce is what's going to be making the meatball pop. So you don't have to do too many seasonings, but season it to your taste. And this is how it looks. So yeah, gotta mix that up, and I'll be back.